Main point made in the second, third, and fourth paragraphs is that the structure of a baby's brain, and the correct answer is J, is still developing after the child is born. And so we can find evidence for J being the main point in each of the three paragraphs as shown in the snippets that I've cut out to the side here. Here it says, he can see, in other words, that the brain of a baby is still forming long after the child has left the womb. After the child has left the womb. And so if it's still forming, that means it's still changing, it's still developing, that brain is. And it's happening after the child has left the womb. The womb is the thing that you're born out of, where you live when you're inside of your mother. And so after the child is born. All right, the second paragraph, we see more evidence for this same point. Instead, early childhood experiences exert a dramatic and precise impact, physically determining how the intricate neural circuits of the brain are wired. So how the neural circuits are wired. The wiring in your brain is how the neurons are connected, and if that's still changing, that it implies that it's still being developed. And here it said these are happening from early childhood experiences, and obviously early childhood comes after you are born. Then finally, in the first 20 months of life, this is after birth again, in the first 20 months of life, the number of synapses will increase 20-fold. Synapses are the structure that connect pieces of the brain, and if they're increasing 20-fold, this means they're changing, this means they're developing. All three paragraphs pointing to J as the main point.